a donated boat. This is the Noah's Ark boat. And the idea is that school children will come in, or just children, homeschool kids will decorate the side of the boat, with their version of Noah's Ark. And this is the Adobe mixing station. Here is the clay that is dug out from the mountain ridge itself, right over there, and we dig it out this way to this day, just like Leonard did. So we take the clay, we put it in this bucket. You can see some clay right now has been put in. We mix water and straw to make the Adobe. We mix it with a shovel. Here's the water to mix it all together. Next, the Adobe gets loaded into 5-gallon buckets, and then we wheel it off to wherever Adobe is needed in the exhibit. Here we are at Leonard Knight's folk art mailbox. Sometimes Leonard would leave town and people would like to leave him gifts, cards, notes, letters to God. So this is pre-restoration of the mailbox. And here you can see the mailbox in restoration by Paul Knight. Here's Paul restoring Leonard Knight's mailbox. Here is the miniature version of Salvation Mountain.